I'm Mike Dandl, Lieutenant with the Cottage Grove Fire Department, and I'm here to talk to you about fire extinguishers. This is a 5-pound extinguisher for the home. It's recommended that there be a fire extinguisher on each floor of the home. To use a fire extinguisher, there is actually pictures on how to use them. First thing you're going to do is you would pull the pin. Second part is you would aim at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle to spray, and then sweep side to side. So you want to make sure you're covering all aspects of that fire. Never turn your back to the fire. An extinguisher of this size is a good 10 to 15 seconds of use. Fire extinguishers are for incipient level fires only, which means, for a good example would be if, say, a small garbage can caught on fire and did not spread, you could use an extinguisher of this size to put it out. There's really little maintenance. Every once in a while, just probably grab it wherever you're going to store it at home and just kind of tip it side to side to get the powder in there to kind of remove. Any questions, reach out to the Cottage Grove Fire Department.